Welcome to our journey into the world of longevity medicine, where we focus on extending the healthy years of life through medical interventions. It's not just about living longer, but enhancing the quality of those extra years. Imagine a future where you can maintain vitality well into your later years. This branch of medicine addresses aging at its core, using advanced techniques to mitigate age-related decline. By understanding and embracing longevity medicine, we can unlock the secrets to a healthier, more fulfilling life. As we delve into this topic, learn how these advancements are set to transform our approach to aging and wellness. Let's explore why longevity medicine is crucial today and how it can benefit you. Join us as we take the first step toward a future where an extended health span is attainable for everyone. Welcome to our exploration of longevity medicine, beginning with an understanding of andropause. Andropause, often referred to as male menopause, involves a decline in testosterone levels as men age. These changes can significantly impact a man's quality of life, with symptoms such as fatigue, depression, and decreased libido often mistaken for aging or stress. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for exploring effective treatments. As we delve deeper, you'll see how testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, offers a path to improved well-being and longevity. Stay with us as we investigate this transformative potential. Andropause, often termed male menopause, profoundly impacts a man's life quality. Physically, men face relentless fatigue and decreased libido. Emotionally, it leads to depression and a decline in overall well-being, affecting daily activities and mental health. Understanding these impacts is essential as it sets the stage for exploring potential solutions. Moving forward, you'll see how testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, offers a promising approach to managing these symptoms and restoring life quality. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, is emerging as a promising solution for men facing andropause. But what exactly is TRT? Essentially, it's a medical treatment designed to supplement testosterone in men with low levels, addressing symptoms like fatigue, depression, and decreased libido. By restoring testosterone to healthy levels, TRT aims to alleviate these symptoms, helping men regain their energy and zest for life. Combining medications with lifestyle adjustments, TRT seeks to replicate natural hormone balance, tailored to individual needs. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how TRT can significantly improve life quality and overall well-being. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, offers significant benefits for men experiencing andropause. Improved energy levels are often the first noticeable change, helping you stay active and engaged in daily activities. TRT boosts physical vigor and enhances mood, reducing feelings of depression and anxiety. Moreover, TRT can increase libido, revitalizing intimate life. These improvements help men regain life quality, fostering a positive outlook and greater satisfaction. As we continue, you'll see real-life stories illustrating TRT's transformative effects. John was at a breaking point. The fatigue he felt wasn't just a physical exhaustion, but a fog that loomed over his entire day. Even the simplest tasks seemed insurmountable. Depression soon followed, robbing him of joy and purpose. Like many men experiencing andropause, John was unaware that declining testosterone levels were at the root of his suffering. Upon exploring options, John discovered testosterone replacement therapy, TRT. After a thorough medical evaluation and discussions with his healthcare provider, he decided to try it. The process involved careful dosing and regular monitoring, ensuring his treatment was both safe and effective. The changes were remarkable. Within weeks, John noticed a resurgence in his energy. It wasn't just about feeling awake. It was a profound sense of vitality that returned. Alongside this physical transformation, John's mood began to lift. The weight of depression started to lighten, replaced by a renewed sense of optimism and drive. Months into his treatment, John rediscovered joys in activities he once loved but had abandoned. His relationships improved as he became more present and engaged. This journey with TRT was more than a medical intervention. It was a reclaiming of the life he thought he'd lost. John's story is a testament to TRT's potential when managed properly. It highlights the importance of addressing andropause as a significant shift in a man's health, deserving attention and care. As we continue, we'll delve deeper into expert insights on TRT, uncovering why it works and how it offers hope for many like John. In this segment, we delve deep into leading medical experts' insights on testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. Our experts highlight TRT's effectiveness in managing andropause symptoms, emphasizing its role in restoring energy, mood, and overall well-being. Dr. Michelle Harris, a renowned endocrinologist, shares that TRT has shown remarkable success in alleviating low testosterone symptoms, particularly in improving emotional stability and physical vitality. She notes that patients often report a renewed sense of vigor and a noticeable uplift in their daily lives. Moreover, Dr. Andrew Collins, a specialist in longevity medicine, discusses best practices for optimizing TRT results. According to Dr. Collins, consistency and regular monitoring are key. Ensuring optimal hormone levels without overshooting helps mitigate potential side effects and ensures the therapy's long-term efficacy. He stresses the importance of personalized treatment plans tailored to needs and medical history. Another critical aspect is integrating a healthy lifestyle alongside TRT. Dr. Elizabeth Turner, a holistic health practitioner, advises incorporating a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques can significantly enhance TRT's benefits. These practices work synergistically with therapy, promoting overall health and longevity. The collective expertise highlights TRT's profound impact on improving life quality for men experiencing andropause. They advocate for a comprehensive approach, combining medical intervention with lifestyle modifications for the best outcomes. As we move forward, you'll hear more about TRT's potential risks and considerations, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of this impactful therapy. While testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, has shown significant benefits, understanding the potential risks is crucial. Possible side effects include acne, sleep apnea, and an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Additionally, the long-term implications of TRT are still being studied, raising questions about its impact over decades of use. Anyone considering TRT must weigh these risks against the benefits and discuss them thoroughly with a healthcare provider. Balancing short-term gains with long-term health considerations ensures a well-rounded approach to managing andropause with TRT. Mark's journey began with a noticeable decline in energy and troubling decrease in libido, symptoms familiar to men experiencing andropause. Feeling constant fatigue, he struggled with daily activities, and his zest for life diminished. Recognizing these signs, Mark sought medical advice and was introduced to testosterone replacement therapy, TRT. Upon starting TRT, Mark's experience took a dramatic turn. Almost immediately, he felt revitalized, with an uptick in daily energy. The fatigue fog lifted, and he became more enthusiastic about physical activities. Even his mental clarity and mood improved. Mark described this renewed phase as regaining a part of himself lost to andropause. One significant change was the positive impact of TRT on his libido. His intimate relationships improved with a resurgence in sexual desire and performance, enhancing his personal life and overall well-being. Mark's story serves as a powerful testament to TRT's potential benefits for those battling andropause symptoms. His experience highlights how the right medical intervention can help men reclaim vitality, improve life quality, and mitigate declining testosterone effects. As we move forward, you'll see another compelling example of TRT's transformative power. David's journey with TRT further underscores its effectiveness. Stay with us to uncover more about David's experience and how TRT can offer hope for many. This continued exploration aims to provide a comprehensive look at TRT as a viable solution for reclaiming an active, fulfilling life. Exploring the intersection of TRT and longevity, it's clear that enhancing testosterone levels extends beyond physical vigor. TRT augments energy and vitality while playing a pivotal role in overall life quality. By alleviating severe andropause symptoms like fatigue and depression, TRT gives men a renewed zest for life. These improvements translate to a more fulfilling lifespan, where individuals can engage deeply with passions and family. Consider how these transformations might shape the life in our years, not just the years in our lives. Up next, we reveal how TRT contributes to mental health improvements, reinforcing its role in holistic well-being. David's journey with testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, began with the familiar signs of andropause. He noticed mood swings from nowhere, coupled with persistent fatigue that weighed him down daily. These symptoms eroded his quality of life, making even the simplest tasks overwhelming. David was initially skeptical about TRT, unsure if it could offer relief. However, after careful research and consultations with his healthcare provider, he decided to try it. The process began with a thorough medical evaluation to determine his suitability for the therapy, and soon he embarked on his TRT journey. As the weeks passed, David noticed subtle changes. Mood swings faded, replaced by emotional stability he hadn't felt in years. The persistent fatigue turned into renewed energy, bringing back what he thought was forever lost. With each day, the transformation became evident. David's energy levels surged, allowing him to engage in long-abandoned activities. He found joy in simple pleasures, like spending time with loved ones and pursuing hobbies. His mental clarity improved, making once insurmountable tasks manageable. The most profound impact was on David's overall well-being. He felt like himself again, reclaiming a part of life taken by Andropause. TRT was not just a treatment, it was a catalyst for change, restoring vitality and life quality he had only hoped for. David's story is a testament to TRT's potential benefits for those struggling with andropause. It reminds us that medical intervention can enhance well-being, offering hope and a path to regain control over health and life. As we move forward, you'll hear more inspiring transformations and expert insights into TRT's benefits and considerations. The influence of testosterone replacement therapy on mental well-being is profound. For many men, declining testosterone involves not just physical, but significant mental health challenges, including mood disturbances and depression. TRT shows promising results in mitigating these psychological effects. Supplementing testosterone can lead to notable mood improvements, fostering a more stable emotional state. Additionally, patients often experience a marked reduction in depressive symptoms, reclaiming a sense of purpose and joy in their daily lives. Enhanced mental clarity and emotional stability brought by TRT can be transformative, providing holistic quality of life improvements. As men age, maintaining physical health becomes increasingly challenging. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, offers a promising solution. By boosting testosterone levels, TRT can significantly enhance physical performance. Men often experience improved muscle mass, staying active and building strength more effectively. This increased vitality isn't just about aesthetics, it's about achieving a higher quality of life. With better physical performance, men can enjoy activities that might have become difficult with age. Whether it's lifting weights, jogging, or playing sports, TRT helps keep the body robust and resilient. These improvements in muscle mass and physical performance are foundational to an active, healthy lifestyle. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, offers more than just a solution to fatigue and mood swings. It also profoundly influences sexual health. For men experiencing andropause, TRT can notably increase libido, reigniting passion and interest in intimate relationships. Moreover, it improves sexual performance, restoring confidence and satisfaction. These enhancements collectively elevate overall life quality, making daily interactions and relationships more fulfilling. By addressing often overlooked sexual health aspects, TRT ensures men lead more vibrant and connected lives. As we continue, explore how TRT affects various well-being aspects. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, isn't just about physical benefits. It also extends to cognitive health. Many men report improved cognitive function and a notable reduction in brain fog. This means staying sharp and focused as you age, restoring clarity and mental agility. TRT's impact on cognitive health can profoundly enhance daily life, making tasks easier and boosting overall well-being. As we continue, we'll explore more TRT benefits, helping you make an informed health decision. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, isn't just about managing symptoms, it's about transforming lives. Through TRT, men report significant enhancements in their overall well-being. They describe a renewed sense of vitality, uplifted mood, and a strong sense of purpose. Quality of life sees remarkable improvements, with increased energy levels and resurgence in daily activities. TRT helps men feel their best, promoting physical health and mental and emotional stability. These benefits serve as a cornerstone in the journey towards better health and longevity. Before embarking on testosterone replacement therapy, it's critical to undergo a comprehensive medical evaluation. This ensures TRT is a safe and suitable option for you. Your healthcare provider will assess your overall health, hormone levels, and potential risk factors. Personal considerations are equally important. Reflect on how TRT fits into your lifestyle and long-term health goals. Engage in open dialogues with your healthcare provider about your expectations and concerns. Remember, informed decisions are empowered decisions. As we continue, discover the first steps to starting TRT. To embark on your testosterone replacement therapy journey, the first crucial step is finding a qualified healthcare provider. Seek out experts specializing in men's health and andropause. Once you've identified a trusted professional, openly discuss your symptoms and concerns. This conversation helps your provider understand your unique needs and tailor the therapy accordingly. Be prepared to undergo evaluations and tests to confirm if TRT is right. The goal is to find a treatment plan aligning with your health goals and overall well-being. As we conclude our exploration into testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, and its impact on andropause and longevity, let's recap the transformative benefits. TRT can significantly enhance quality of life by boosting energy levels, improving mood, and revitalizing libido. These improvements empower men to regain control over their physical and mental health. If you've recognized any symptoms discussed today or know someone who might be affected, consult a healthcare provider. Taking this step, you can explore treatment options for a healthier, more fulfilling life. The journey to improved well-being and longevity starts with you. Reach out, seek help, and take the first step towards a better tomorrow.